Alright, in this video we're going to terminate a piece of flat Ethernet cable. And the deal is you can't use regular Cat 5 or Cat 6 because the conductors in here are very tiny. I mean, maybe you can, I can't. I tried. But you need these special flat cable terminations. It comes in two parts. And I got my kit off of Amazon. And they're kind of expensive for what they are. Now I need to score the sheathing a little bit. Make sure I do it the same place on both sides. And I just gotta keep going back and forth, and that sheathing will eventually break. We have to do a little more scoring. Oh, there we go. Now this stuff's got a bunch of this little fuzzy stuff in it that's going to be a pain in the ass. I'm going to try to get all of this shit out of here. And where a regular cable will have orange, white, green, white, this will have the two conductors by themselves, but it's not an orange and an white, it's just an orange and a white together. Alright. You're going to want to lay your conductor, you're going to lay your cable in this channel that it's made for it. But then, here's where it gets tedious. I got to go get my optivisors. And we're going to organize these according to the B standard. Here's where it gets super tedious. A little bit of tape makes this job a lot easier. Alright. Have a little bit of forced compliance here. Alright. And we want to pull out all our sets of strands. There are the brown whites. Get them back out of the way. Blue and white. Now, orange white goes in the first little. There's little grooves for each one. And let me tell you, this ain't easy. Orange white goes in the first one. And we're going to want the green white. white. And the green. And then we want our brown white. And then a brown. And you might have to do this if you've got a flat Ethernet cable that the dog chewed up, or if you did something stupid like I did and just ordered the wrong effing cable. Alright. Now I'm going to take and snip all the excess off of these. And then you slide it into this part here. There, and that snaps in. And then you get your crimpers. And you make it so. Now, let's get our cable tester out. Put this in one end. Now let's find the other end. Turn her on. Alright, I'm going to call that good. And remember, don't order the wrong effing cable.